What is our intention is just everybody, we are sitting in front of your computer, try to open Jenkins. I am trying to open Jenkins. They're going to, I think my screen is visible for you. I think, is it visible? Yes. Now what I am doing is localhost, localhost Jenkins. Today only I'll go with Windows based. From tomorrow onwards, I'll go with Linux based. There I'm going to Jenkins. Where is the port number? Double A double A. You know this. They are giving admin and admin. Sir, I'm taking new job for your clarification. I'm taking very new job. There new item. New item. Here is the integration with integration. Integration with Maven Nexus. I'm giving Maven Nexus Sonar Cube and integration with Maven. This is my this is my job. Integration with the Maven Nexus Sonar Cube Talk. I'm taking freestyle job only. They're okay. They're okay. They're okay. Their same statement. If you want it, you can write this one also. Only mm, integration. Integration. Very first step, Git right. Which one I want to provide? There I want to provide my project URL. This is nothing but repository URL in the sense project URL. How to get my project URL? They are going to new tab. You know it. They are taking GitHub. In GitHub, already we are having Maven related projects. Only you will take Maven related projects only. That is Java based. That is Java based. Show more. There I'm having maybe Lakshmi web something something. Even Karthi Java web. This is also proper one or not. You check it first. Say I'm taking this is the right one. This is the right one. Pom.xml. Even check it with pom.xml. Where is that? Jar is there. How can we check? Click on here. Go to edit this one. Edit this one. Here check it. There one part here. This is the base. Here where is that? Now this is the right one. Now this is the right one. Now simply going to once again click here. Now copy this URL. Copy this URL. I'm going to Jenkins. Just once this is clear. Now what next, Karthik? What is the next step we need to take? Credentials is optional. Their branch name is master only. Branch name is master only. Now this is only for downloading. Only for download. After downloading, we want to build. If you want to build, what you need to configure? Anyone respond? I want to build my artifact file. Who will build our artifact file? Jenkins only build or Maven will build?
Maven, sir.
Maven. At that time, what shall I do? Where should I configure? Where should I build steps? Build steps. Add build steps. Add build step. Here. Execute. Where is that? Where is that? Maven.
Invoke top level Maven.
Invoke top level Maven targets. See here you need to select which Maven you configure. Which Maven you configure. Where you want to configure Maven related things, going to manage Jenkins, their tools. Within that, we need to configure. In interview, they regularly asking, where do you configure? Where do you configure Maven? Within Jenkins, within dashboard, Jenkins, there within that tools. Manage Jenkins within that. See, my intention, I want to specify four goals. What is the first goal? Package. What is the second goal? Install. What is the third goal? Third goal is deploy. Fourth goal is sonar. Sonar colon sonar. See, here I applied four. This is nothing but goal. This is nothing but goal. This is also nothing but goal. But this is plug-in and this is a goal. Sonar is the plugin and Sonar is the goal. Instantly, it will download the Sonar plugin. Based on that, it will deploy Sonar Cube server. Sonar Cube server. I hope you got the clarity. After this, I want to deploy my web application into Tomcat server, where I need to configure anyone respond. There's the post build action. Build is over, build is finished. For that, we are going to post build action. What is the post build action? Just you need to click here, there, there, deploy where ERPA container. Deploy where ERPA container. What I need to write Karthi here? You tell me. Star star slash star dot where. I already told, I given the clue. What is the clue? Just click on question mark. There, whatever it is there, copy it and paste it. If you don't know, if you forgot how to write there, that will provide just at least a clue. Now you know that one. What is the context path here? I'm taking Karthik, K-R-T-H-I, Karthik. Now this is important. Containers. Click on add containers. Which container? That is the Tomcat 9. You need to specify your username and password. Already I'm having multiple Tomcat credentials for Jenkins. Tomcat credentials first. This is the Tomcat URL. HTTP, localhost, local host colon double nine double nine slash. Are you agree with me? HTTP colon double slash localhost double nine double nine. Now, even if you don't know, click on here, type localhost, somewhere Tomcat is there. See, whatever it is there, you copy this first, Control C. Then we are moving to your Jenkins. We want to remove this one, Control V, paste it. See, HTTP colon double slash localhost. See, in real time, we never use such type of localhost. We must use on public IP. This is the IP. This is the IP. Here you may use either localhost or maybe either you may use 127.0.0.1 or else we can use this IP also. Windows here. Here is the CMD. Here is IP config. IP config. This IP also valid. Even in our system, this is the valid IP. This IP you can place there. This IP. Here I am placing this one. Copy. There I am placing here. There I am placing here. This is also valid. I hope is it clear for you. Suppose if everything is fine for you, I think we are assuming everything is fine. We need to check. We need to. I think someone is trying to join. Someone is trying to join. Yeah, Shiv Shankar, good evening. And now we
Good
are,
evening.
we
You
are
have
trying
to
to.
somehow practice some austerity during the yatra, sacrifice something, suffer
Who
something.
is
Only then you get the fruit of a yatra. அப்படி இல்லாமல் if you think that at home it's too difficult to cook and
my
eat,
my area?
instead
I'm
of
getting
yatra
this sound or your
automated will
area?
feed me better, so let me
Please
go to
respond
yatra.
anyone.
போயிட்டு வந்தா என்ன கேட்பாளாம்,
Sir, your
அப்பா
side
சம்மந்தியை
only.
கேட்பார்.
Your
போயிட்டு
my
வந்த உடனே
side.
எல்லாருக்கும்
Where it
வேலையும்
is that?
சாப்பாடு நல்லா போட்டாளா, நல்ல
Oh, some one video is there. Good. Now, where we are in? We are in the browser, right? We are in the browser. This browser. Now we're trying to build now. Maybe you may get one error, or because of our coding is correct, but the servers may be started or not. Based on this only, we'll check it. Now, even you want to see that? Yes, console output. There. See, finally, build failure. What it is saying? Build step, top level Maven, targets, mark build as failure. Hmm. Why it is failure? Please refer it. Based on that, we'll try to rectify. We will try to rectify. See, Karthi, yeah. I think Karthi web project, distribution management, that code may not be there. Shall we go and check it? There I am going there within the Karthi project, there within the form.xml, there I am going to edit. Distribution management code is there or not? Check it first. See, everybody try to observe. Is there distribution management code? No, right? No, right? We'll go and get it distribution management code. In our WhatsApp group only I provided. Please respond. This is the role, this is a Tomcat related. I think somewhere I place a distribution management. I think in our class only I provided or not. Distribution management. Or else I go for
DevOps
DevOps.
batch, sir. DevOps.
DevOps. Okay, for you also I can provide. Otherwise, if required, again you may face difficulty. Distribution management. There, copy selection. Copied or not?
Sir,
Tell me.
sorry, sir, interrupt. Sir, please
Okay.
add my number in DevOps, sir.
Your what? Your phone number?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll add it. Even give me missed call to me. I think
O-
Karthik, you know my
Okay,
number?
okay.
Try to give me
Yes, sir.
through WhatsApp. Try to give me a hi message. Okay, I'll
Okay,
add
sir.
that. Good.
Okay, thank you,
Now,
sir.
now, I think copy selection. Good. Even this one I am sending for your batch also. Maybe I sent or not. I don't know. Now it is okay for you because of if you want to search, you can easily identify. Now where I want to paste it, you tell me. Go to there I want to paste. Is it right one or wrong one? It is not 100% perfect. Where I want to do the changes, distribution management, which
You are
purpose we are adding? Which purpose we are adding? Jenkins is able to communicate with which tool? Please respond anyone.
Nexus, sir.
Nexus. Here, maybe Uday already there. It may work. It may work. If Uday not there, it may not work. Our best practice is we'll go and check it. Really, that Uday is there. Don't go for blindly. Don't go for blindly. How can I check it? Click on here. Click on here. Check it. Nexus. What is the port number? Shivshankar Nexus. Localhost. Localhost
8081.
8081. Good sonotype Nexus. Now just click on sign in, admin. Now where I want to click, anyone respond? This box or my browser box or gear icon?
Gear
The
icons.
gear icon. Their repositories are there. Their Uday repository is there or not? Check it first. I think Uday is there. Okay, no problem. Or else, I think everybody know this is there. This is there. Okay, no problem. I may leave as it is. Why? Already there. We'll try it once again. We'll try it once again. That problem may rectify or not. That problem may rectify or not. Now again going to Jenkins. Going to Jenkins. Now try to rebuild. Rebuild. Now there I think maybe I am rebuilding. I may get new warnings, new errors. Again we got an error. They are going to console output. There we may see the errors. Based on that only we may resolve the error. There this one failure, which is build step top level Maven targets marked build as failure. What it is saying, build failure. Karthi web project, Maven web application. The project has been as banded from the build due to previous fail. Anyone identified any specific error? Specific error. This is only information. This is only information. Anyway, I need to start my sonar cube also. Sonar cube also because of sonar colon sonar also added, right? Why should I leave that server? How to start sonar server? Anyone respond? How to start my sonar server? Windows key. There I need to enter into C drive. Are you agree with me? C drive.
C drive, Sonar 7.6.
Sonar cube 7.9.6. Good. There click on bin.
Bin,
Windows
Windows X.
8664. There type CMD. There SONAR sonar Q sonar start I think. Maybe apply DIR. That's it. Start sonar. STRT S tab. Now sonar is started. Because of if one area got failed, finally you may not get success. Now it is okay. We'll try for once again. Like this only we can check. Or else step by step. First we need to configure Jenkins URL. Which one? Or GitHub URL into Jenkins. Like that also we can go for that. Anyway, I am building once again. Third bit. Quickly we got an error. Quickly we got an error. Console output. Which steps are passed? Check it one by one. Only failure at the end you got. Any success? I think one or 2 points are success. Maybe you may get right. Even that too not getting. Check first. I think even the, at least one success is also not there. Finally, you got build failure. Okay, I may go and apply one by one, step by step, then only we'll get the clarity. Or else we may face same problem. Then I'm going to job. I'm going to configure. Now there, I think this one is perfect or not. Your credentials not required. There I am removing this. Even I am removing this. Nothing is there. Save it and run it. At least this step is working on. Yes, that is okay. Next, going to configure. Only I may apply package. You know how to apply package? Just you go for build steps. There invoke top level maven. There 3.9.6. So only package and now save it and build now. Step 2. Yes, that is also succeeded. Now we're going to configure. Now I'm trying to add install. And that only I'm trying to add install. Where here space install. Now save it and build now. Sixth build also may success. Now I'm trying to add configure deploy. Deploy. There I'm adding space deploy. If I add deploy means it is going to be available in Nexus. If Nexus is everything is perfect, then only it will work. Otherwise, there you may get an error. My Nexus server is running. Yeah, here is the problem. Now to avoid such problem, what I said, anyone respond going to repositories. Maybe existing what I try to remove it. Delete repository. Yes. Now I'm going to add create repository. Even I may take new name or maybe same name. There MVN to hosted. There I'm giving ABC. There I think I'm taking snapshot dev environment. There we go for. There we go for. Now there allow redeploy. Then we go for I think remaining are correct only, right? There create repository. Once you created repository, there ABC is there. Click on copy this repo URL. Now guide me. I need to. Yes, I did a small mistake. You know what I did now I am telling to you. What is the problem? Actually, I pasted here. I didn't commit. Please observe, everybody. Anyway, we modified this one. Don't worry. But like that, we may do silly mistake. This is also okay. One more modification. What is the one more modification? This one, right? This one. But this is not compulsory. Anyway, see, Nexus is good. Here, even this is not mandatory. I'm giving only one more. It is also only one. Here, what I forgot is, see, I need to commit this. I need to commit this. I didn't commit that. See, am I committing or not? Once you committed, now it may work. Now it may work. Now check it. Oh, even why it is giving an error. What is the problem? Failed to execute goal, deploy, default deploy on project, Karthi web project failed to deploy artifacts, would not transfer artifact. Any reason? Anybody identified? Status code 400 means reason, phrase, repository, version policy. Oh, I understood. See, again, small silly problem is there. What is that? I may tell you. Going to here, going to here, within that form.xml, within the form.xml, you need to edit. See, mandatorily must provide version 1.1 hyphen snap snapshot. snap snapshot. Then only it will work, otherwise it won't work. Yeah, commit changes. Now we try for once again. These are the loopholes. If everything is working fine, okay, you feel very happy. If you are having errors, how to rectify, how to resolve, we are doing like that. See, we got the output or not, Karthi? Success, build success. Now our intention, we are going to add sonar colon sonar. Sonar colon sonar. How to add sonar colon sonar? Just we are going to build top level maven, there Please guide me. There I'm adding sonar, colon. So I said this is the interview question. What is this sonar? What is this sonar? Anyone respond? First sonar represents what? Second sonar represents what? Apply, save it, try to build now. This build is succeed or not? Yes, maybe succeed. Good. Now simply our project is moving to Tomcat. For that, what shall we do? We are going to configure post build action. There deploy where ER to criteria. And now guide me star slash star dot where context path is ABC. You make you any name. Next, add container. Take Tomcat 9. There are already Tomcat credentials already there. This is the path Tomcat server, Apache Tomcat server path. Copy it, and paste it over here. Paste it. Now apply, save it, and try to build now. If anything goes wrong, try to rectify, or else it may work. Okay, good. I hope everybody got the clarity. Karthik, have you got the clarity?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now today we are moving to a new concept. Here, what is new? There. I'm going to dashboard. I'm taking new item. I'm taking test. Maybe freestyle project. Okay, nothing is there here. Yeah, according to industry, whatever they are asking, based on that only we are going. I am not going all the options. If really required, you try to practice. If any doubt is there, even I will go and refer it. Based on that, I will give that options. Now, our main intention is first one is Git. You know this one somewhere it already path is there. Copy it. These steps are very common. These steps are very common. Or else even I am not going this step also. No. Now see, if you are coming to the build steps, there execute there Windows bash command. Why I am taking execute Windows bash command in the sense I am available. My Jenkins is running on Windows server. Here is echo today date and time. Today date and time. Say I want to print today date. I want to print today time. Today date and time. There echo today date. Anyone respond? How to provide? Percentage symbol, date, percentage. Echo today, time. Not today time, current time. That is the right term. Current time. Current time column is the time. If Windows based, maybe PowerShell based percentage. If it is Linux based, you need to use dollar sign. We'll check it. Is it correct or not? Apply, save, click on build. That build may success or not. Success. We can see the output. We can see the console output. Here see Today date and time, again today date and time. Here is also today date is like that, today date is. See, I don't want two times. I don't want two times. I'll try for that. Yet how to rectify that problem? I'll try for that. How to try? Going to configure. One command is there. I'll apply that command. That may work out for us. What is the command? It is echo off. Echo off is the command. Apply. Save it. I'm trying to build now. One second. If build is succeeded, output you may get proper. Now build is succeeded. I'm going to build. I'm going to checking the output. Now check the difference. See, everybody observe and tell me. Now output is clean and green. Perfectly got the output right. Clearly you got today date and time. Today date, current time. Clear output. Have you got it or not? In previous scenario, multiple lines you got it. Same statement you got two times. This is not a Jenkins command. I know general commands properly. Those commands I am applying here. That's what I am saying is if you know subject somewhere else more, that will reflect on any one tool very easily. Some people may feel, oh, if you know tool, we can apply commands. No, if you know commands, we can easily apply on a tool. See, echo off means it won't reflect. Even I will show you practically. Windows key R, Windows key R, CMD. There you know today date, right? Date. This is the date. Time is the time. Here also we are getting many things. See, date slash question mark. These commands I'm applying. Date by T. See, only date. Time by T. Only time. Got it or not? These commands also I don't want. These commands also I don't want. See, notepad, test.bat, test.bat. There I'm writing date, time, volume, version. Four commands I written. This is the batch file. Maybe Markondas are also somewhere explained about batch file. Only he introduced what is batch, that's all. He never executed batch related commands. Save it. How to execute? What is the name I took here? Test. For batch command, no need to use extension. Simply give the name. See, is it running or not? It is expecting some input. Expecting. See, those many, again, C prompt, so many things are there. You don't want those so many things. You go for notepad. There I'm using echo, echo off. This is the base. Based on this, I applied that. Save it. Now I'm trying to apply test. Now check it here. Directly output you are getting. Even that won't ask you. That won't ask you. You need to go for like this. Notepad test.bat. There date by T. Here time by T. Close it. In end-to-end automation, that never asks the input from the keyboard. Now check it. You got see date you got, time you got, volume, that volume in C drive, that version. Everybody got the clarity or not? Here anybody having any doubt, please respond. If doubt is that try to interrupt me or interact. If no doubt, I may move on to next. Karthi got the clarity? This is the general Windows based commands where I apply. On Jenkins I apply. On Jenkins I apply. Again I am going to this one. Today mainly we may work on configure that triggers. I may concentrate on triggers. What is the triggers? Here see build triggers. Build triggers. See trigger builds remotely from script. This is nothing but just like a script. Somewhere else it may get it. And build after other projects are built. Build after other projects are built. Now my intention is build periodically and GitHub book policy. Mainly these three today we'll see. What is build periodically? See, once I written my job in the sense I written some code, right? After coding, you need to build. Again, I'm going to test. See, second build. You need to click on build now. Manually, everything. How can we know manually I executed? Third build, right? Click on build. In this way, you need to understand. Who executed this? See, started by user. Who executed this? That is the Lakshmi user. That is the Lakshmi user. In that way, you can recognize who executed this build. Suppose say, I'm going to configure. I'm going to configure. I'm going to configure. Where I'm selecting build triggers, build periodically. It is expecting some schedule, some schedule. Schedule in the sense based on the time. See, no schedule, so we'll never run. What is the schedule? Star, space star, 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 star. We'll discuss slowly what is all these stars. Even if you click here, it will provide. Do you really mean every minute when you say stars? Here, first one is represents minutes, hours, day of month, month, day of week. We'll discuss first, we'll try to understand, then we'll try to discuss. Apply it, save it. Now say wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. Automatically, for every minute, it will build automatically. In real time, we never use this concept, but the concept is there. Next concept we may use that this is the base for next concept. Because in real time, if you use like this, yeah, system performance will be goes down. See, 100 jobs are there. All the 100 jobs, every minute they are running means each job will take minimum 20 minutes, 30 minutes in real time. If 30 minutes means every minute automatically will start. Keep on running means jobs will be in queue. If jobs will be in queue, that server may crash. See, Karthi got the fourth build right. Have you seen fourth build? If I click here, see difference? Started by whom? Started by whom? Timer. That is the build periodically. That is the build periodic. And every minute, you may ask me, and every 5 minutes you want to run. And every 5 minutes. See, after fifth build, we'll go and change. We'll go and change. This is the build periodically. Timer will execute just like alarm. If you specify time interval, on that interval, automatically that will execute. For every minute only, because of a specified start there. Yeah, fifth one. Now I'm going to my job. There I'm click on configure. Now try to understand here what are the options they provided. There they specified 5 stars, right? See, star, star, star. You must give see like this also valid. But now see, star, 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 star. It is invalid. Which is valid? Star. Even you may take tab. Even you may take space also. 10 spaces, no problem. Star. Even spaces, no problem. Even spaces, no problem. Even spaces is the valid. You must give space. See, we may think one by one. What first one specifies? Minutes. You know the minutes means 0 to 59. You know the minute value. Minute means 0 to 0 to 15. Now see here. Minute. Minutes within the hour. Within the hour. 0 to 59 minutes is nothing but 1 hour. Here hours representation 0 to 23. Day of month. Within a month, how many days may be there? 0 to 28. That means 1 to 28, 1 to 29, 1 to 30, 1 to 31. Generally, they took max, min, max. Here, month. Within a year, how many months are there? 1 to 12 months are there. Here, carefully observe day of the week. Within a week, how many days are there? 7 days. But try to understand the day of the week, 0 to 7 means actually 8 values. 0 to 0 and 7 both are same. 0 and 7 both are same. They took like that, but that is not the good way. But anyway, they given. We need to follow that. 0 where 0 and 7 are Sunday. Actually, we will take 0 to 6 is sufficient because of 0 is Sunday, 6 is Monday. But again they given 7. Again they given 7. The 7 and 0 are both are same. That means either you may use 0 or you may use 7. I hope you got the clarity. There you need to specify every fifth minute. Assume every fifth minute. Even we can write capital H by 5. It is valid. Within an hour, every fifth minute. This is every minute. After that, every hour. After that, day of month, next month, next day of week, day of week. Here one blind notation is that please remember within a year only we can configure. Some people may say for 2 years I want to configure, for 4 years that is not possible. Whatever the modifications, whatever the configuration for a year only. It may not exceed more than a year. It may not exceed more than a year. See different examples they given. Different examples they given. See every 15 minute how to represent h by 15. Every 10 minutes how to represent see h of 0 to 29. This is the 10. Within 30 every 10 minutes. Within 30 every 10 minutes is within the first half of every hour. Only for first half. Second half it won't execute. Like that. Once every 2 hours. See 45 minutes. 9 to 16 by 2. Like that they may mention. You need to follow these standards. Time zone specification, maybe 24 hour, 24, maybe 12 hours format, like that. If you refer slowly, you may learn. See, our this is that this job needs to be run in the morning London time. London time. TZ is equal to Euro slash London. Like that, they specify. Time zone, they specify. Here, as a learner, how to use this, we need to know. But in method of procedure, they may give, just we need to follow. We need to follow. Here, no need to remember anything. No need to remember anything. But understanding is important. But in interview, they are asking, first star what represent minute, second star what represent, say, DOM, day of month, day of week. These two are abbreviations. Remaining minute, hour, day of month and day of week, and day of week. Try to understand. Good. Now I'm going for not build periodically. I want to go for whole SCM. This is somewhat here also I'm specifying again star, again star, again star, again star, again star. Only 5 stars. But what is pole SCM? I'm going to MS Paint, Windows here, MS Paint. Please understand what is pole SCM represents. This is Git repository. This is Git repo. You know it, SC. You know it, SC. This is SC. Good. SCM contain what SCM contain? Everybody know what contain? Repository. Repository. Here we are using Jenkins tool. My intention Jenkins is able to communicate with SCM or SCM is able to communicate with Jenkins. Here, if you use Pole SCM, on every minute, our tool is going to communicate with SCM on every 1 minute because of there we are using star, Why it is now no space for not taking? Space for stop. And every minute, our Jenkins is going to communicate with SC. Why Jenkins is going to communicate? Here we specified two things. One is, I think I didn't specify any URL. Okay, till now not any URL. Maybe I'll try up. There URL I need to specify URL plus there I want to specify POLL POLSL. Here for this URL our POLSM concept will go and communicate with SCL. Okay, good. Why it is going to communicate? Is there any update? Is there any update? You know the meaning of update? Update means what does it mean? There any pulling is happen, any push is happen, any push is happen. Whenever you push into SCM, whenever you push into SCM, then only the trigger will execute. If not pushing anything, it won't do any triggering. In real time, 98% professionals will follow only policy. Only 2% people will follow GitHub, GitHub, GitHub webhook. I'll clarify GitHub webhook also. First, we'll try to understand policy. See, if you want to work with policy, and what I said, I need one repo URL. I'm taking Karthi web project. I'm taking Karthi web project. There I am going to select code URL. That URL, yes. There I am configuring Git first. There I am configuring Git. Where is Git? General Git. Yes. I pasted URL. Click on here. No need of credentials. Everything is fine for us. Here pole SCM is there. Now I'm trying to just remove this one. What happened? I don't want this stuff. Extra stuff. Okay, good. Apply, save it. See here 13th build is there. You may not get 14th build. Maybe we may wait for 1 minute. We specified star. For every minute I specified. We may get 14th or not, check it first. May wait for 1 minute. 14th you got it. I think PolySM is which one is running? Build periodically may run. Build now. Going to configure. That is in tick mark or not, check it first. That is in tick mark or not. PolySM only. Build periodically not there. Okay. Apply. Save it. We'll check it. Can we move to 15th or not? I think I saved properly. Yes, on 15th, you may see am I properly saved or not. You won't get 15th build. Even I am refreshing. Even check it here. This is old one. Console output. Going one step back. Even one more step back. Only 14 is there. Everybody observe, right? Now, what I may do, observe. There I am going to our project. I am in the project. See, I'm opening form.xml or our source code. That is your wish. See, I'm going to open our source code. There index.jsp I'm opening. For your easy understanding, I am doing this activity. Hello world, I removed exclamation mark. There are commit changes. Yes, Commit. Once it is done, I committed, right? Once you committed, going to here. Now you check it. After committing, then only after committing, within a minute, it will go for 15th. We specified poll SM. Poll SM means our Jenkins server, our Jenkins tool keep on monitoring. Which one? SCM repository. On any change that will reflect. If no change, it won't do anything. Change occurred, automatically that will reflect. Now within a minute, you may get 15th bit. After change happens, then now everybody observe 15th build is running or not. Yes. Even you may wait for 20 minutes from hereafter, it never run. It never run. Why it never run? Just because of no changes. Because of no changes. Now you check it here. This is, see, update index.jsp details GitHub web. See, started by NSCM change. What is SCM? Poll SCM. What is SCM? Poll SCM. Karthi got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But in our scenario, what is the third one? Third trigger I said, go to configure. Go to configure. I may show to you, but I may tell to you this option will not work in Windows. Which option will not work? See, I'm removing this. GitHub hook trigger for Git SCM polling will not work in Windows space. Will not work in Windows space. Why will not work in the sense? There we may use localhost. Localhost means for this system on. For this system on. That's why GitHub hook will not work. When it will work? When it will work? If you go to Linux base or Ubuntu base or maybe Red Hat base, then only will work. Tomorrow I may configure Jenkins in Linux server, then only this option will work. Here it won't work. Here it won't. Now you know build periodically. Now you know poll SCM. Here it won't work. Now you go for build after other projects are built. Build after other projects. Here concept is very simple concept. I am going to paint. Here one concept is there downstream project upstream. Downstream upstream. What does it mean? See, I am taking very simple example. This is you may think like this. This is job A. I am considering A job, capital A. This is B job. This is the industry standard. Please observe. Maybe in previous classes you know something, but anyway that is 99% whatever you learn that is not the right one. Anyway, you try to listen from. But people may think this is upstream job, this is downstream job. Maybe they may think like that. But the terminology is not the right one. Please try to understand. What is the right terminology? For A, B is the downstream job. For B, A is the upstream job. We may think like that. But according to industry standard, they are saying that is not the right way. See, for B, A is the upstream job. For B, C is the downstream job. You need to think like that. For B, A is upstream. For B, C is downstream. This is the right terminology. But only two jobs are there. We may feel like that only, right? For B, A is upstream. For A, B is the downstream. But technicality, the terminology is not correct. But anyway, people are following like that. But exact terminology is for B only, A is upstream. For B only, C is the downstream. C is the downstream. You may think like that. This is the right terminology. Now I am selecting one more arrow. Where is the arrow? Arrow, arrow. This is the arrow. You try to think in this way. For B only A is upstream. For B only C is the downstream. Generally, people are calling for A B downstream. For A B. No, for B A is upstream. For B C is the downstream. I hope terminology is clear, right? Terminology is clear. For B A is upstream. For B C is downstream. In this way, you need to think. Once A is started, everything is fine, then only B will work. If B everything fine, then only C will work. You may go in this way also. Some other diagrammatic representation I am giving. Try to understand that one also. Here is yeah, I am taking. Here I am taking B and C. If everything is fine here, it will also work. See, once A succeeded, A succeeded, A succeeded, B and C will execute parallel. B and C will execute parallel. Please remember, these are the independent jobs. This is independent, this is independent. But here not like that. Here sequentially it is going. Here dependency is there. If dependency is there, you may go in this way. You may go in this way. If no dependency, then you go for these are the parallel execution. These are the parallel execution. Your diagrammatic is clear or not, Karthik? If it is clear for you, we'll go and apply our application. Shall I go and apply? I hope you got it.
Yes, sir.
This is the job two. For job two, job one is upstream. This is the right term. Don't say for A, B is the downstream. No, for B only, C downstream. Job. But people are calling different ways, but I am going right term, whether we may use or not, leave it. Now I am going to implement. If you want to implement, you go for dashboard. You try to create three jobs. You try to create, leave this. Three jobs I am creating. New job. I am taking job one. Restyle. Okay. Even see how to create multiple jobs very easily. Even that I make you for you. This is the job one. Job one. There I'm typing only build steps. There execute Windows shell. Here is echo. You may write uppercase also. Job one, job one. Good. Save it. Once you save this, once you save this, just I am going to dashboard. There new item. Please observe what I am doing. Job two, copy from. I am taking job two, copy from job one, copy from job one. Okay. What happens? Everything. This is the inheritance came from. There I this is job two, right? Here type job two because of job small modifications I am doing. This is job. That's all. Very easy, right? Save it. Apply it, save it. In the same way, you go for job three. Dashboard, new item. I am typing job three. Job three. You may create from job two or job one. Your wish. Anyone tell me from which job I want to create? From which job I want to create job three, Karthik? Either one or two. That is your wish. From one or two.
One, sir.
From job one. From job one, click OK. We got here. We got here. This is job three, right? I am modifying job three. Even here also, I am trying to modify job three. See, three independent jobs are there. Check it first. Three independent jobs. Dashboard. Observe here. Job one. job 2, job 3. Three independent are there or not? If I run this, there is no effect on job 2. If I run this, there is no effect on job 3. Is it clear for you? Is it clear for you? See, if you want to apply upstream and downstream representation, I said right, for job 2, job 1 is upstream. Click on here, click on here. After that, click on here, build now, not build now, configure, configure. See, there, there, build after other projects are built. Build after other projects are built. Even here, here, there, commit okay, Docker okay. This project is parameterized. Okay. Execute concurrent. Okay, no. And that option only. That option only. Build after. Build after other projects are built. Anyway, I'm clicking here. It may ask something. It asks. Build after. See, here I'm selecting projects with what is the job? Job 1. One job 1 is finishes. Then only control move to yes. Now apply and save it. In the same way, you may go for dashboard, then select job 3. Job 3. Again you go for configure, configure. What you need to configure? Just build after other projects are built. Which job you need to configure here? Please respond. Job 2. Job. Yes. A trigger only if build is stable. Stable means if it is running. Click save it. We'll try to execute only job 1 first. Click on dashboard, select job. See, once job 1 succeeded, then only moving to job 2. If job 2 succeeded, then only move to job 3. We'll check first criteria. Build now. We'll see here. See, here we are not able to see job 2, right? Only one is succeeded. Now if you go to job 2 not executed by me. Job 2 not executed by me. See, I'm going to dashboard. I'm selecting job 2. Observe everyone. There also one job is executed or not. Please respond. Karthi. Job 3 am I executed? No, right? Job 2 am I executed? No. Why job 2, job 3 got executed? Even see job 3 also. Going to dashboard. I'm clicking on going to dashboard. Then I'm clicking on job 3. In job 3 also, one job got executed. What happening internally? What happening internally? I started execution here. If it is succeeded, control is moving to here. If it is succeeded, maybe semester 1 got passed. Maybe you are writing semester 2 exam. Semester 2 failed. Maybe assume there is no access for semester 3. We may do like that. In job 2, I may do some problem. I may create a problem. How to create a problem? You know it. You know it. I may go for the Jenkins. Jenkins. Within the Jenkins, I am selecting job 2. Job 2. Within the job 2, configure. There, I may write like this. What I want to write is, see, in place of echo, I am writing sh, something I am writing s.sh. See, this is the shell related. This is the shell command. It never work out. It never work out. Apply, save it, save it. I am going to dashboard. I am trying to open job 1 only. I am trying to build now. This one may succeed. 2. Now, if you click on this, or else if you go to job 2, If you go to job 2, see, job 2 got failed or not? See, if job 2 got failed, it never moved to job 3. In job 3, only one build is there. There is no second build. Check it, Karthik. Looking very simple, but internally tricky is there. Have you understood right? If everything is fine in here, everything is fine, moving here. Here, everything is fine, moving here. Here, something goes wrong. Why something goes wrong? I manually specified, which I specified. Some sh, maybe abc dot txt. Such file is not there, such command is not there. Who doesn't know? Windows doesn't know sh. Windows know only bat. Bat means batch. BAT means batch file. That's why the job will not work. The job will not. If you want to work parallelly, there we are specifying first one. You want to execute parallel B and C. Today only shall I apply, or maybe tomorrow I may apply this one. You know it, right? First you select this one. After this, you need to execute this. You need to execute this. Then you need to specify B comma C. B comma C. Like that, you may specify this. I may apply within a minute. I may apply within a minute. Okay, now just I am going to Jenkins. Why should we leave that? First, job 2 properly, I may correct it. How to rectify job 2? Select here. There, going to configure. There, I am going to check. I'm replacing wherever sh is there. Wherever sh is there, there echo job 2. Job 2. Maybe double quotation is optional. Okay, save. Apply, save. And now, what I want to do is going to dashboard. Parallel execution required. Even I am selecting job 1. Once job 1 is finished, I want to execute job 2 and job 3. Or else. See, this is upstream. Our feeling is this is downstream. For this, upstream. Even for this, upstream. Like that, we may specify. Or else I am selecting only job 1 only. Is there any special feature is there? We'll go for that. There, first I need to remove existing scenario. I need to remove, right? I need to remove existing configure. Configure. For job 1, which one I need to select? Build after other projects are built. Build after other projects are built. Here, only one option. Going to dashboard. First, you need to select job 2. For job 2, configure. Within the configuration, build after first job. Build after first job. Say build after job 1. Okay. This is okay. Apply properly is that. In the same way, what I want to specify, going to dashboard, I am selecting job 3, again configure, same build after, build after. See what I am selecting. I got selected. See here job 1. Here what does it mean? What does it mean? Just here according to our diagrammatic representation, I am going to diagrammatic. See here. See, there I selected this one, I applied this one. I selected this one, I applied. Build after. Build after means A is finished. Automatically parallel execute B and C. That is the meaning here. That is the meaning here. Now I'm going to Jenkins. I'm trying to execute. Which job I need to execute? Please respond. First job one only. First job one only. They are built now. Third job. Once you got here, if you click on here, if you go to job 2, see job 2, job 3. Karte, have you understood right? Here also we can see downstream projects. Is it clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Good. Tomorrow we may configure with the Linux based, and as well as we need to see GitHub webhook. In interview regularly they are asking. Even I may give little bit information about GitHub webhook. This is GitHub. This is Jenkins. But in pole SCM, I given diagram like this, right? In pole SCM, I given diagram like this. Which diagram I given? our Jenkins is able to communicate with the SCM. No. In GitHub Webhook, our GitHub, GitHub, that means Git repository is able to communicate with the Jenkins. This is a special feature. See, Jenkins is a server. It is having so many duties. Keep on checking means it is wasting his time or her time. For that, whatever the modification, assume you are the developer, you are the developer. You don't know when will you push. You don't know. Assume. You may push something. You may do some modification. Whenever if you do modification, this SCM will go and interact with Jenkins. Hey Jenkins, something modified. Please take this. That is nothing but webhook. That is nothing but webhook. Got the clarity? Who is interacting
Yes,
with
sir.
whom? SCM is able to interact with Jenkins is nothing but webhook. Jenkins is able to communicate with SCM is nothing but pole SCM. I hope you got it. Pole SCM. This is very, very important. POL. Pole SCM. Pole SCM. Okay. Remaining things we'll see tomorrow. If any doubt is there, ask me. Otherwise, we can wind the session. Any other facing any difficulty?